Hey adventurers, today we are on for a quick and fun-filled hike at Kloofendal Nature Reserve in Roodepoort. We'll be tackling the Scenic 5km trail where we will not only get some fresh air and exercise, but also encounter some unexpected entertainment along the way. This late chicken kept us entertained while we ate, and there's more. After our chicken show, we are upping the energy with a spontaneous game of 30 seconds. Tune into the fun and engage with this amazing video. Subscribe to my channel while at it. Enjoy the video and check out other adventures in this playlist.
That's a mosso!
We are going at the pavement.
Oh. Is it started?
No, but this counts as hiking. It counts. Wabona run lapish. Wabon. Pella, this map, this one, it's fixed. It doesn't rotate, unlike the one that you have on your phone. So you need this thing. This is the actual beginning of the trail. And you can always tell that it's the beginning of the trail because of the smiles on everyone's faces. And no one checked the map because they think that because I'm a Moses, I know where we're going. So we are taking red.
Red for the ladies?
Red on the thing, on the thing, red. Yeah, on the rocks. No, I guess it's 1.8 and it's gonna join some. We're doing the loop.
Are we doing Daisy and
Yes.
then
Yes. So Daisy and then Rotary. It's not bad. It's not bad.
We'll do it this way.
We are taking this one. Yes. Yeah, we are doing this one in reverse. This one. Yes, but that's the thing. You guys scare me because some of you don't know how to swim. You scare me. I know what I'm doing, trust me. And trust the process. I am the process. Trust the process. Yeah, it's hot now. This trail is not challenging at all. As you can see, everyone is still bunched up together. We went up this little mountain to get a better view of Roodepoort and the nature reserve.
Yeah, we're still on the N70. No, you can't die now. Not even halfway yet. Yeah. Mind your step. Yeah, we're gonna go to Long Tom. Where is it? Okay, it's time before Noile Loma.
Yes, there's snakes on this trail, but apparently they shouldn't do anything to you. At this point, we're almost done with our hike and we're gonna go back to base camp to eat and then play 30 seconds.
Maria Hamid, I want to come in a little bit. Zula Zula, this one. It's feisty. Yeah, check. It's checking for food, huh? Yeah, let's check it like video, guys. What's happening?
Is that how you catch them?
Where's your thing? Bring it here. It must all be on the start.
So are we allowed to like roll things up? So we have to
So
now
you have to
roll
roll
again.
again. Who wants to roll?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The guy that killed his wife for Valentine's Day.
Oscar Pistorius.
Yes.
Yeah!
The 007.
James Bond.
Yeah.
Yes. The other drink, not Coke.
Pepsi.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
Which one is that one? Pepsi!
Yeah. Where is this place, man? Hole in the wall. There by.
Eastern Cape.
Yeah. What do they call that? What do they call that?
I don't know. Time.
Tell us,
I don't know.
what is it called?
Oh, the Wild Coast.
What
And
was
the
the other
Valentine's Day, I said it here. And there's Oscar Pistorius and Valentine's Day in one card.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can't. This
So
one
we
Oh.
is
can
out.
Geen krele three.
Trailer, James Bond, Pepsi, Oscar Pistorius.
We got three.
So we got 3. So we moved 3 because we rolled 0. Next.
So he's known as that guy.
Yeah, he is that guy. He is that guy. He is that guy. Guys, master, do it.
What the guy is master?
Yeah.
So you're starting.
guy is me now.
No, you're taking out from the side. And then you.
We shuffle them.
No.
Are you awake? Barely.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
tormenting me what I saw.
Oh, this is you can't see.
Hey, now
Oh,
I
you don't
chance I
see.
killed it.
You don't see this thing. You are not supposed to look before.
3, 2, 1.
No, just once.
Quick! See that? Mickey Mouse. How did you get there?
It's an airline, not man. It's green.
Mango.
It's green.
It's the chillness for me.
Time. That's Kulula.com.
Those things, they were finishing me.
Island.
The reason why I didn't want to go for countries, I was going to struggle to bring them with islands.
Natalie Portman.
One. He saved us.
You are on blues.
It's fine, but at least I wrote a 0. Almost.
Corn? No. They put it on KFC ice cream.
Snowflake.
Oh, the best guy in golf.
Tiger Woods.
There's this dog, animation, it's the dog. Come on, you're almost
Scooby-Doo.
Time.
So if someone says flakes, how do you tell the flake, not flakes?
No.
Yeah, but we're not giving it to you.
No.
Come on, it's the same thing, guys. Plural, singular.
Yeah. You just move one.
Oh,
So you are holding and you are describing at the same time.
Yeah. So please keep the time for us.
Oh, the one who rolled.
We are on yellow, Dad.
2.
Okay, 2.
We are on yellow.
We're on yellow. We're on yellow.
I never.
Orange 5. What is it now?
Orange Free
The
State.
province.
The Free State.
Yes. vehicles. Another word for vehicles.
Cars.
Yes.
Automobile.
In Pretoria, that building in Pretoria.
Union buildings.
But what is it? Part
Fort
of?
Trigger Monument.
No, the union buildings, but it's part of the government system. That
Parliament. Legislation. Administrative
go
capital.
on.
What is it? Judiciary.
No, the constitution.
Fudge!
The law. I don't know.
Just say they are not moving.
Yeah, we're not moving.
I told you. Yeah, what's this? Yeah, it's frustrating. Yeah. Put them in. Gonna move.
Buying down. Whoa. Buying down.
Wait!
Yeah.
Okay. Article then. It's a road.
N1.
Article?
The N1.
Yes. And then yes. And then you read it. Yes. But limited edition?
Don't wave your card around, they'll see it, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Limited edition.
Time.
Oh, yeah, we can see. What's easy?
Okay, to be honest, when you said it, it was not yet time.
Yeah,
when
but
you said it.
yeah, but yes.
Do not bring your home fights here.
You are on yellow.
Okay.
Yellow is easier.
Tea, that you drink. A type of tea. A type of tea that you drink. Yes. Up, opposite.
Down.
And then over, opposite.
Under.
Yes, combined with two.
Down under.
Yes. And then it's a bargain. The animal. The side animal that died in animation movie. Is this animation?
Simba.
It's like a springbok.
It's like a spring.
I don't know what
It's an animation movie.
How many did you get? Not one.
Ah, three. They got 1, 2.
They didn't get one.
No, they got 2. Yeah, they got 2.
Try one.
We are on blue, so please keep that.
It's yellow. What do you mean?
Oh, we are on yellow. Oh,
So must describe yellow.
yes, describe yellow.
It's wafer biscuits. You know them, with milk.
Oreos.
Thank you.
Just describe. Just describe something.
Guys, okay, fine. Yo,
Bart Simpson.
What Simpson? That's
Okay, the four is Mary Antoinette,
Antoinette.
the richest woman in Versailles.
the far east.
Okay, yeah.
The honors. They are not moving.
I don't even watch it.
No, I saw.
Buying down. Whoa,
So, what did you
Bart Simpson.
When he said, I was like, I'm sorry.
you are on yellow.
Yeah, describe.
Oh,
Like a house, that thing that you see through. What is
The
it?
window.
Yes. But plural.
Windows.
Yes. And then if it's not ANC, it's the red one.
EFF.
Yes. But the head, the person, the head. Yes. The rest I don't know. We have time. Let's see. Okay. The Bible. Like nature. Think nature.
Genesis.
No.
What's happening with the Bible?
we said Adam and Eve.
Adam and Eve. Okay, Bayanda. Who's next?
No, it's you guys. It's you guys before moving said.
No, Utomari. No, Utomari now Watali.
Hey, then we are
And
last.
then they are last. So.
You are not Robin. You are not Robin.
Bayanda.
You're gonna do more, don't worry.
Bayanda. Oh, who's describing? This way. Because yellow is this side, so when you take it out, but way more.
But
You don't have to be so good to
No,
cry.
take one card. It's two cards. Yeah, two cards. Yeah.
And
This
flip
one.
the yellow to face you.
Yes.
The game that we used to play on the
Hockey.
no on the Game Boy. Game Boy.
Game board.
Skip. And I know it.
The
Just for
city in famous city.
Chess.
No, the city in USA. Famous city.
New York.
New York City. California.
No.
LA.
Yes.
Yes, Los Angeles.
There's a song, Christmas song about it.
Jingle bells.
But you got to
Oh, Pac-Man.
Was that Pac-Man?
Yeah, it was Pac-Man.
How are you gonna describe Pac-Man? You're gonna go for what down?
Yeah, that's
Pac-Man. We are here on yellow. We are the black one. We are on yellow. No. You have to roll the first.
Roll first. Yeah.
Yeah.
You take
Yeah,
out.
take out and then flip
Yeah.
to yellow. Yeah.
You
just
take
like
it out. You're not done.
Yes. Yes.
You're not going anywhere. Yeah, my wife. Take your time.
Break it down. The one that the 3 little kids will get off.
The wolf.
Yeah, but you have to, it's a paddle, you have to make it in a line.
Okay.
The wolf.
No,
Next
is
The
it
three
like,
pigs and the wolf.
you have to describe it like a small...
The big bad wolf.
Yes. And then the ones that you join, like puzzles and colors. The movie. Like puzzles for kids.
Lego.
When
Thinking puzzle
man. When Lego, everyone plays with Lego. We know that. The things that we have played with at school.
Those bricks. Who's next?
I'm not going to
We've moved to our identity. We're moving.
No. But it's at an angle though. It's at an angle.
A zero is a zero.
They need it.
But it's at an angle.
We'll give it to them.
Moses,
They need it. So, yeah, you take out. You can slide it out. This way.
describe
This
yellow.
one they will see it. Yeah, you can slide it from this side. They will see it. Yeah,
It's a movie.
Spider-Man.
Ow.
Spectacular Spider-Man.
They have numbers.
Spider-Man
Spider-Man
1.
3.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man 3.
What? Oh, their snacks. We love them. Yellow. Yes.
There's a wet snake in there.
Yes.
Yeah, you have two.
On yellow again. Move us, Moses. Move us.
Spider-Man 3.
No,
No, knick-knack.
She said snake.
Yeah, snacks, but it's not knick-knack. Knick-knack.
Snacks.
Oh, it's not snake. It's necks. No, it's necks.
There's no
Nick
snacks
neck.
there.
Yeah, it's Nick neck.
Move us to the yellow one. Move us to the yellow one.
Yellow one.
The yellow.
Okay. Bomorero, who's rolling, guys? Master music. Master race.
He's the one who will render them static.
One. Okay, you are on yellow. Eh? Yeah, you are on the yellow board, so describe yellow. Yeah, describe at the yellow side. You take out the card and describe what you see on the yellow side. Akira, this is blue.
Before.
This is yellow. So you describe the side. Yeah,
Hey,
describe.
Time,
Start.
Time, coaches, we can't give him a lot.
Tennis.
If someone over for something and then
Give, take. Give and take.
yeah.
I will for something.
Take it.
You still have time.
Break it down. Break down the word.
Oh.
Break down.
Okay, I know. Out,
Yes, we are listening.
Going anywhere.
Okay, it's a shop where they sell jewelry.
American
Accessories,
Swiss.
Yes. It's next to China. There's a
Japan.
a one that is up and one that is
North Korea.
yes. What is cash?
Money.
And then what is a round thing that you play soccer with?
Money ball.
Yes. His and hers. It's a phrase that they have. They were
Couple.
criminals. Time.
Oh, Bonnie and Clyde. We know it. We know it.
We got.
We
one
know
involved
it.
North Korea, American Swiss.
We know it.
So
We
here's the one.
know it. We know
Money
it.
ball.
Against all odds. Against. We've been moving 1-1 by getting 3. Against all odds. Against all odds. But we roll the 0, we roll the 2. We roll the 2, we roll the 3. Against all odds. Against all odds. Against all odds.
You're on blue?
They are on blue.
Oh, okay. So even though she can see, I mean.
I can't see.
Tata Moso!